If you're still seasoning your steaks with regular old salt, you're leaving so much flavor on the table. This salt right here has completely changed how I season and upgrade my steaks. So what makes Maldon Salt Flakes so special? Well, simply, it's just the premium quality that you get. The texture is so awesome. These flakes right here are big, delicate, and crunchy. Instead of just dissolving into the meat, they sit on top, delivering bursts of pure, clean salt flavor with every single bite, giving you perfect balance of fresh intensity and clean taste to enhance any steak or dish. Now, I'll try my best to show you here on camera. These flakes have this unique pyramid-shaped design to them. When you bite into your meal that has these flakes on them, you just get this awesome burst of flavor in your mouth. When you sprinkle the salt flakes on finished steaks, it doesn't just season, it kind of more elevates the actual dish. The crystals cling to the meat, giving you that gourmet restaurant level pop, and the flavor of each bite is just juicier and way more satisfying. These salt flakes are extremely versatile. You can use them to suck some extra moisture out of your steaks before you start cooking them to get that extra burst of flavor. You can use them for seasoning, for anything, or even just prepping your water, and you can use it as a decorative topper to really make an impact on your dishes. So is there anything bad about them? You know, the only issue that I really have is the fact that you might over salt things. These flakes are powerful. A little bit goes a long way, so remember that. For 15 to 20 bucks, you can get the big tub like you see here, which I would highly recommend because you're gonna use it on so many different dishes. But if you just wanna kind of try out the salt, they do make a smaller box that's for right around 6 to 10 bucks. I'll do you a favor and I'm gonna put both links down below for the best prices on where you can get it and the best time you can buy it. By the way, those links really help me out, so thank you very much. If you're serious about seasoning your steaks and taking them to the next level, ordinary salt just won't do. You're gonna want some awesome sea salt flakes to really impress your guests. Trust me, everybody's gonna notice this on your steaks and on your dishes, and they're gonna be impressed. They're freaking delicious. I mean, just look at the size of that flake. These salt flakes are 100% dude approved. Hands covered in salt now. If you're looking for other awesome dude approved kitchen buys, check out my videos over the side where you can learn about how to get the perfect steak temperature every single time, or perhaps you're looking for that perfect sear on your steak so you can add these beautiful flakes. I'll see you in those videos over the side, and thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you later.